Little Critters, Fall Storybook Favorites by Mercer Mayer. Just a big storm. Yeah, that's a big storm, alright. Really raking leaves here, it looks like. She's got to keep her hat from flying away. A storm was coming in. We saw dark clouds and lightning in the distance. Let's check the Weather Channel, said Mom. The weather critter said a big storm with lightning, rain, and hail will pass right over Critterville. We better get ready for anything, Dad said. We may lose power. Dad checked all the flashlights. Make sure they all work. Little sister and I got water in buckets for the toilets. We put up a sign that read, "Remember, pour water in tank before you flush." See? Remember, pour water in tank before you flush. We filled up pots at the sink for drinking water. We put a sign on the fridge, "Do not open." Do not open. Then we rescued stuff from our yard. The wind began to blow. It blew harder and harder. It began to rain too. I saw our neighbor's garbage can fly right past our window. Suddenly, the power went out. It was getting dark and we couldn't turn on a light. Mom and Dad got our battery-powered lanterns, and everyone had their very own flashlight. See? Flashlight, flashlight, lanterns, dog. Oh, and if you look, there's a mouse and a spider. They're on every page. See, here's the mouse, here's the spider. Should have pointed that out earlier. Sorry, guys. The wind was cold, so Dad built a fire in the wood stove. We made knots out of newspaper to start the fire. See, knots out of newspaper. It's kindling. We found an old phone in the closet and plugged it into the wall. Did you know old phones work sometimes when you have no power? An old rotary phone. There's the spider. Where's the mouse? Oh, there he is. I called some of my friends. They didn't have any power either. I asked Mom and Dad if I could have everyone come over for a sleepover. Mom and Dad said no. That didn't seem fair. We baked potatoes in the wood stove and made grilled cheese with a pie iron. I was careful and didn't touch the hot stove. We played board games by lantern light. This is just like camping, I said. So they got the fake money there. There's the mouse and the spider. I'm not sure what game they're playing. Can't really see it. We got sleeping bags and all slept on the living room floor. Dad told ghost stories. Ooh, spooky. Even that dog is scared. Lightning. There was lots of thunder and lightning. I wasn't scared. I snuggled real close to Mom, just in case. We couldn't sleep. Mom read a book to us. Dad fell asleep first. See, they're awake still. Dad's passed out. Dog's bored. Mom's loving that book. When we woke up, our power was back on. We saw the power company critters working on the electrical poles. That was neat. They're getting the power going again. I was sad that it was all over, but Mom and Dad were happy. They said they wanted to take showers. Why would they want to do that? Why would they? Good question. Our phone rang. It was Grandma and Grandpa. They were worried about us. Grandma, it wasn't so bad, I said. It was just a big storm. The end. Hope you guys enjoy. And if you do, I'll do more of these.